Hi there. I wanted to make a video to help navigate your child getting started each morning and things you should do. I think a video will be more helpful than typing out in an email. So here goes. I'm actually going to start by going to Google. So when you log into your child's Chromebook, they get to their Google account, and I had to just go to my school account real quick. Okay, if they click here, they should see Classroom. If not, they should have a button over here on a Chromebook that would also allow them to get to their classrooms that they've joined. Okay, once they've accepted invitations to the different classrooms, you will see this screen. So they click on here, go to My Classroom. Some mornings I'll have videos on here, maybe a good morning message for the week. But what you really want to get to is the classwork tab. First thing you should do is daily attendance check-in. When you do this, you click on the daily attendance form, and you click on that, and then you fill it out and turn it in. As you can see, 7 have turned it in so far today. Then, once you've done the attendance, you can go to, sorry, let me get back here. So you have daily attendance. You can check the blog if you haven't read that. I did post yesterday. Then, if you're ever wondering what your schedule of the day looks like for your kid, I sent this home as a paper copy. It's also on here. When you click this, week 1 plans. So you might say, hey, what time am I supposed to log in? Well, if it's an off-site day and totally remote, like a Wednesday, oh look, 8:45 morning meeting, 9:45 math, 10:40 to 11:10 is integrated arts, and then today at 12:30 we will be doing a project together. So this is a good place to go. You'll get a hard copy or an email copy that you can print each week with times of things. It also gives you, as I explained in the parent conference, what you're doing on the days where kids are here and your kids are not, where I can't access kids online, the asynchronous stuff that they should get done for the day. So that's the schedule section. And let me get out of this tab. Then, morning meeting. If it's time for morning meeting, you come over here, click on morning meeting. And there's a launch meeting Zoom. If you click this launch meeting, it will take you to your morning meeting tab. Okay. Now, if it's time for math and you're in first grade, you go here, you click Mr. Young's live math instruction if it's a Wednesday or a Monday, Wednesday, or Friday while we're in the 1-4 model. Once we go to the 2-3 model, the only day that kids are going to be joining live instruction is Wednesdays. Okay, so this is where you'd go for math. If you're a second grader, you're going to join Mr. Hubbard. This is where you'd go for that. Now today, this afternoon, when we're doing our writing activity, you're going to go here to this live writing instruction. You'll click on that, and you'll be able to find where you need to go or join the meeting so that we can do a writing activity. So that's where you're going to look for your different links and the schedule. Anything you might need is all right here. If your kid gets to this page, then they'll be able to find anything they need. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Also, just remember, it's the first week, and it will probably take 2.5 weeks to get this down smoothly for people. So if your kid's having frustration with it or a computer's not working well, don't worry. Make sure that you send them in, and we will fix it. Just note what's going on. Your kid should be bringing their device every day anyway. The other thing is, if your kid's using an iPad that they were given in kindergarten, I highly recommend you send it to school or reach out to Eric and arrange an exchange, because we want to get them on a Chromebook now for what we're doing in first grade. When you do send it in, though, you have to send a charger in so that when we send your new device home, you get a charger in that device as well. Please reach out with any questions, and I hope you find this helpful.